Today's job, we're working on tow trucks today. This is what we're about to do. We gotta replace the harmonic balancer. We got a control arm. You guys see that yellow piece right there? That's gotta come off. And this control arm's gonna come off. It's almost out. Work in progress, guys, but that's the ugly part right there. But this is what we're doing over here today. Every day, something new. Stay tuned as it grows. Like and subscribe for more content. Quick little update. The harmonic balance fell on my chest. But it's okay, because I love this shit. Not one, but two. Both of those fell on me. But it's all right. It's work in progress. I can almost see the finish. So that's what I gotta take out next, right there. I gotta take out that crank pulley so we can do the seal, because it's leaking oil. All this just to change a $10 rubber seal. Like, why me?